Reactive maintenance is really about understanding spot and spill removal. Spot and spill removal may be needed at any time because it's in reaction to an unplanned incident like a food or drink spill or bad weather track-ins, to name a few. It pays to be prepared and ready to deal with special situations. Most importantly, a spot or spill incident should always be cleaned up within 24 hours. The longer you wait, the harder the spill will be to remove. If the spill is a dry powder such as copy or toner, vacuum extensively, holding the nozzle just above the surface. Only after very thorough vacuuming should you extract any remaining contaminant. For the most part, non-liquid spills can be scraped up or removed by using a wet-dry vac. With liquid spills, you should remove any solid matter by scraping it up or by using a wet-dry vac. The remaining liquid should be blotted with a dry, white, absorbent cloth or plain paper towels. Be sure to work from the outer edge of the spill toward the center. This will keep the spill from becoming larger. Continue to blot, removing as much of the liquid as possible. If the spot remains, apply a cleaning agent, commonly called a spotter. Use of a Carpet and Rug Institute or CRI seal of approval product is especially important because it cleans well and will not leave soil trapping residue in the carpet fibers. Ask your supervisor if your cleaning agent is CRI approved. Apply the spotter and tamp it into the carpet with a soft bristle brush, being sure not to scrub. Also, be sure to follow the product's instructions to avoid damaging the surface of the carpet. For the spotter to work properly, it should be allowed to remain in place for 5 to 10 minutes. Gentle agitation with a smooth surface such as a spoon or spotting spatula is also useful. This helps release the contaminant from the carpet fiber, and it makes it easier to remove. If the spot is still wet, or if it's severe, blot again with a clean white towel. It's important to be patient. If the spot remains, repeat the procedure. As long as color continues to show up on your clean white towel when you blot, your efforts are working and you don't need to change your method or spotter. A portable spotting extractor is a great tool to help make spot removal quick, easy, and effective. It allows you to flush the area and then extract the contaminant. You start by pre-treating the affected area with an approved spotter. Next, you extract, which lets you adequately flush the affected area with clean water to make sure all the residue is removed. If you have a particularly difficult spot and your regular methods don't work, it's not a time to experiment. Ask for help. Now that we understand how to clean a spot, let's talk about the dreaded stains. A stain is a change to the color of the carpet. Because stains alter the color of the carpet fiber, oftentimes they cannot be completely removed. Unfortunately, sometimes using the incorrect cleaning technique can change a spill into a permanent stain. Color loss is also a type of stain that often occurs when a strong chemical gets on the carpet. For example, if bleach or bathroom cleaner is spilled onto a carpet, it can immediately change the color of the fiber. The condition is permanent and can be improved only by spot dyeing or selective replacement by a specialist.